Juki LBH 1790ANS, versatile industrial sewing machine for high-volume buttonhole stitching. Ensures precise and uniform stitches by digitally controlling the buttonhole stitching process. Enhanced efficiency with a maximum sewing speed of 4,200 stitches per minute. Comes with 31 standard patterns. Upload additional patterns from external storage devices. User-friendly interface. An intuitive control panel simplifies sewing process adjustments. Electronic control of fabric feed, thread trimming, fabric cutting, and presser foot lift. Maximum buttonhole length, 41 millimeters. Learn more and order the machine at prizzisewing.com.